Okay, welcome again to Let's Talk Science. We're going to begin the next class, which is forensics. For forensics, you will just need a standard notebook to take notes. You don't need a 5-subject. You need a regular calculator. It doesn't have to be scientific. It's not going to be nearly as intense math. There will be some math, but it won't be as intense math as the other ones. And the one thing that you will need is a composition notebook. Now you get these right now for like 50 cents at the beginning of the school year. Later on they'll be between $1 and $1.25. The main reason you're going to use this is we're going to treat yourself like a forensic investigator, and this is your criminalist notebook. So every lab goes inside of here. Anytime we do any additional practices, I would put it inside of here. So that way we have an accurate record of everything that you've gone through and being able to identify, just the same as a forensic investigator will do. Now this class will probably only take a semester, won't take nearly as long as a chemistry year class. It is just to get you a familiarity with forensics and also just give you some understanding of some of the sciences involved in different areas. I actually had a student one time that was actually going into art, and she took the forensics class as just as a general science, something to throw away, and she fell in love with forensics, and she changed her major to chemistry, took my chemistry class in order to be able to go into forensics. I've always had students like it. When I did it, a lot of students took the class because they didn't have a choice. They needed a general ed science class. And I never got a score out of 10 less than 7.5. So that's where we're at. We're going to start with about 3 days of just general activity before we actually start getting the notes of the information that's involved. So let's get started with this. Take care. God bless. And let's have fun. Bye.